He is sick and lying in bed with blanket. He is sick and lying in bed with blanket. Grandfather is walking with grandchildren. Grandfather is walking with grandchildren. He is crossing the street safely. He is crossing the street safely. He is pushing the shopping cart. He is pushing the shopping cart. He is pouring water into glass. He is pouring water into glass. He is cleaning his eyeglasses. He is cleaning his eyeglasses. He holds the folded clothes by laundry basket. He holds the folded clothes by laundry basket. Boy in winter coat and turtleneck. Boy in winter coat and turtleneck. He is holding ice cream and drink in hands. He is holding ice cream and drink in hands. He is giving flowers to his mother. He is giving flowers to his mother. He is flying the kite outdoors. He is flying the kite outdoors. He holds the trophy with pride. He holds the trophy with pride. He is watering of flowers in a pot. He is watering of flowers in a pot. He is ready to go to school with backpack. He is ready to go to school with backpack. He is walking with backpack. He is walking with backpack. Young boy is riding on the scooter. Young boy is riding on the scooter. Farmer is holding a spoon in hand. Farmer is holding a spoon in hand. Boy is holding milk and standing near the cow. Boy is holding milk and standing near the cow. He is washing hands over sink. He is washing hands over sink. He is packing suitcase for travel. He is packing suitcase for travel. She is holding the basket. She is holding the basket. She is eating food slowly. She is eating food slowly. She is wearing cap and gown as a graduating student. She is wearing cap and gown as a graduating student.